Alright, let's make a snow volcano. You're going to need some vinegar, liquid food coloring, a cup, dish soap, baking soda. Don't forget to grab a coat, it's a little chilly outside. Alright, here we go. Now that we've found our mountain of snow and brought our supplies, let's make a volcano. Put your cup in the snow. You're going to use 2 generous spoonfuls of the baking soda. A spoonful of the dish soap. Grab your food coloring and put that in the cup. We used 3 drops of each color that we wanted. And now for the grand finale, the vinegar. This will make the volcano bubble over. Thanks for having fun with us. Our first attempt was a fail, so stay tuned to see our bloopers and what we did wrong. So in our first attempt to do this, we did not pack the snow up and have it so that it sloped down. So when the volcano finally erupted, so to speak, it just kind of froze in the snow. So make sure you have a good downward slope to make sure that it is able to run down the snow. If you want to do more craft videos with us, hit the subscribe and the thumbs up button.